I've started Google Ads and 5 days already passed, but I'm not getting any impressions. I'm getting only 2 to 3 impressions per day. So it's probably that your campaign setting is too tight, your bidding is not very aggressive. You need to increase the bids. If you are running on a manual CPC campaign, look at your keywords, see if they have got any search volume or not. If you are targeting keywords which nobody is searching for, then obviously you're not going to get any impressions. Check your negative keywords, that you have not blocked any good keywords as well. So there's lots of things which you can do, but the first thing I would do is to make sure that you got the bids are aggressive, your keywords are good, and if you can't get any impressions on exact or phrase, then go broad and see if it starts to run. But if it starts to run, then keep a very close eye on the search terms and keep adding them in your negative list as quickly as possible, because the broad keyword is going to be the cheapest click, right? But obviously, broad being broad, you're going to get very some of the clicks not very relevant. So by adding negatives regularly is going to counter that effect and get you the cheapest click as well as the targeted click.